Did you know that cucumbers are 96% water? That's amazing! This high water content makes them incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot day. Imagine biting into a crisp, cool cucumber slice and feeling instantly hydrated. It's like nature's own sports drink, but without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. It means they're incredibly hydrating. In fact, cucumbers can help you meet your daily water intake goals. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, aiding digestion, and keeping your energy levels up. So, next time you feel thirsty, consider munching on some cucumber slices instead of reaching for a sugary drink. We all need to drink lots of water, and cucumbers can help us do that. Adding cucumber slices to your water not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional nutrients. It's a simple way to make your hydration routine more enjoyable and beneficial. Cucumbers are more than just water, though. They contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our health. For instance, cucumbers are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health and blood clotting. They're packed with vitamins and minerals. In addition to vitamin K, cucumbers also provide vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients support various bodily functions, from boosting your immune system to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These nutrients are like superheroes for our bodies. They work together to keep us feeling our best, fighting off illnesses, and promoting overall well-being. Think of cucumbers as a small but mighty ally in your quest for a healthier lifestyle. They keep us healthy and strong. Including cucumbers in your diet can contribute to better digestion, thanks to their fiber content. Plus, their antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Cucumbers are also low in calories. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. You can enjoy a generous serving of cucumbers without worrying about calorie overload. This makes them the perfect snack. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, cucumbers are a convenient and nutritious option. They pair well with a variety of dips, like hummus or yogurt, adding a satisfying crunch to your snack time. You can munch on them guilt-free. Their natural sweetness and crisp texture make them a delightful treat. Plus, knowing that you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients makes every bite even more enjoyable. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a cucumber. Not only will you be treating yourself to a delicious and refreshing snack, but you'll also be doing your body a favor. Embrace the surprising health hero that is the cucumber and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. We all love that fresh feeling, right? Cucumbers can give you that. They have this cool, crisp taste that wakes up your taste buds. Think about a hot summer day. What sounds better than a refreshing cucumber salad? Or maybe some cool cucumber water? Cucumbers are like a cool breeze on a hot day. They can instantly make you feel refreshed and revitalized. They're nature's way of saying, take a break and relax. Life can get busy, can't it? We're always on the go. Sometimes we feel tired and worn out. Our skin can get dull and tired too. We might even have dark circles under our eyes. And let's be honest, sometimes we just don't have the energy to take care of ourselves. We think, I wish there was an easy way to feel better. Well, guess what? There is. And it involves a simple cucumber. Cucumbers are like little miracle workers. They can help with so many things. For example, did you know you can use cucumber slices on your eyes? It's true. Cucumbers can reduce puffiness and dark circles. They're like a spa treatment right in your own home. Just lie back and relax for a few minutes. Cucumbers can even help freshen your breath. Just chew on a slice for a minute. It's a natural breath freshener. Section 5. The wow moment. Cucumbers instant refresh. Here's a cucumber hack that will amaze you. Have you ever felt bloated after a meal? We've all been there. It's uncomfortable. Well, try eating some cucumber. Cucumbers have special enzymes that help with digestion. They can help reduce that bloated feeling quickly. That's the power of cucumbers. They offer simple, natural solutions to everyday problems. Section 6. Cucumber Recap, your guide to a healthier, happier you. So let's recap those amazing cucumber hacks. Remember, cucumbers can keep you hydrated, refresh your skin, freshen your breath, and help with digestion. See? Cucumbers are like a toolbox for a healthier you. And the best part? They're affordable and easy to find. They're available year-round, so you can enjoy their benefits anytime. Section 7. Join the cucumber craze. Share and explore. We've just scratched the surface of cucumber power. There are so many more ways to use cucumbers. Get creative in the kitchen. Add cucumber to your smoothies or sandwiches. Make a refreshing cucumber dip. The possibilities are endless. Share your favorite cucumber hacks with your friends. Let's spread the word about this amazing vegetable. Cucumbers aren't just for salads, they're like nature's little beauty secret. These green wonders are packed with hydration and nutrients that can do wonders for your skin and overall health. Remember those puffy eyes and dark circles we talked about? Cucumbers are here to save the day. The cooling effect of cucumber slices can reduce swelling and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes. The natural enzymes and antioxidants in cucumbers work wonders on your skin. These compounds help to rejuvenate and revitalize your skin, making it look fresher and more youthful. They help reduce inflammation, tighten pores, and give you a natural glow. The anti-inflammatory properties of cucumbers can calm irritated skin, while their astringent qualities help to tighten and firm your skin, reducing the appearance of pores. You can make a simple face mask at home by blending cucumber with yogurt or honey. This combination not only hydrates your skin but also provides it with essential nutrients. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates your skin, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Apply it to your face and let it work its magic for 15 minutes. During this time, the mask will deeply penetrate your skin, providing intense hydration and nourishment. Your skin will feel so refreshed and revitalized. The cooling sensation of the cucumber mask will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and looking radiant. So next time you have a cucumber in your fridge, remember it's not just for your salad. It's a beauty powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. Let's talk about how to incorporate cucumbers into your diet. Of course, you can always enjoy them in salads. Their crunchy texture and refreshing taste can liven up any salad bowl. But don't stop there. Cucumbers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Try adding them to your smoothies for a boost of hydration and nutrients. You can even make cucumber soup, gazpacho, or pickle them for a tangy treat. Get creative and explore the endless possibilities of this wonderful vegetable. Cucumbers aren't just good for your physical health. They can also boost your overall well-being. Remember how hydrating they are? Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy levels and focus. So, sipping on cucumber-infused water throughout the day can do wonders for your mind and body. Plus, the refreshing taste can uplift your mood instantly. Next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, grab a cucumber. Its coolness and refreshing properties can have a calming effect, helping you find a moment of peace. There you have it, the power of the cucumber. This humble vegetable, often overlooked in the produce aisle, is packed with nutrients and benefits that can transform your daily routine. It's more than just a simple vegetable. It's a versatile companion for a healthier, happier you. From boosting your hydration to refreshing your skin, cucumbers are a powerhouse of wellness. Imagine starting your day with a glass of cucumber-infused water. Not only does it taste refreshing, but it also helps to keep you hydrated throughout the day. And adding a burst of flavor to your meals, cucumbers can elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're tossing them into a salad, blending them into a smoothie, or simply enjoying them as a crunchy snack, cucumbers bring a delightful freshness to your palate. Cucumbers offer a world of benefits. They are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. For instance, they contain antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which prevent the accumulation of harmful free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic disease. So, embrace the cucumber and incorporate it into your daily routine. You can start by exploring different varieties of cucumbers available at your local farmer's market. Each type has its unique flavor and texture, adding variety to your meals. Whether it's enjoying a cool cucumber snack, which is perfect for a hot summer day, or adding cucumber slices to your water for a refreshing twist, the possibilities are endless. Trying out a DIY face mask, cucumbers are also fantastic for your skin. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. Simply blend some cucumber and apply it to your face for a soothing and rejuvenating experience. Or adding it to your next meal, cucumbers can be a star ingredient. They pair well with a variety of dishes, from sandwiches to sushi, and can even be pickled for a tangy treat. Let this humble vegetable surprise you with its incredible power. The next time you see cucumbers at the store, Remember all the ways they can enhance your life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and incorporating cucumbers into your diet and skincare routine is a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. And it all starts with embracing the simple yet mighty cucumber. So, go ahead, make cucumbers your everyday wellness companion and enjoy the myriad of benefits they bring.